Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Postgresus. There are three ways how you can install it: via script, via Docker Compose and via Docker run command. Let's start from script. I have clean Cloud VPS and let's install Postgresus there. The script automatically install Docker and only then Postgresus. So let's copy the command. So we can see that the script installed, Docker is configured, and now the Postgresus pull is started. Pull is ready, and now we can connect via this port to our server. I already entered IP address, and this works. The second way how Postgresus can be installed is via Docker Compose. So let's copy Docker Compose content, go to home folder, create Docker Compose file, and copy content. Then type in Docker Compose app-d. We see Postgresus is up. Then again go to IP address plus port and click enter, and Postgresus is up. The third way how Postgresus can be installed is via Docker run command. Let's copy the command and paste it. Again, image is pulling. Postgresus is up, and let's navigate to server and see Postgresus is ready.